Wagwan everybody, hold on. Much better. So today we're going to talk about a few things that bikers should always carry. Take a look in my bag and let's get the video started. So a couple of weeks back, I asked a question on my Instagram, asking persons, what are some of the things that bikers should always carry with them. I got some really good answers, and based on those answers, I went ahead and created this video. So to start off, the first thing, which is one of the most important things, is a toolkit. So my toolkit is basically a pouch that I used to have in primary school. I used to carry pencils in it. I just went ahead and threw some tools in it. Let's go ahead and take a look at some of the tools that should be in your toolkit. So the tools in your toolkit should vary according to the type of bike that you have, but some of these tools are pretty universal. The first thing that I have there is screwdrivers. So I have a pair of Phillips screwdriver and a flathead screwdriver. Alright, so the second thing that I'm pulling out of my toolkit are zip ties. Now, zip ties are very useful, and you will never know when you're actually going to need one, but it's always good to always carry a few zip ties around. They're very handy, so always. Moving on, we have the tire plug kit. Now this is something that's very crucial because I believe no biker wants to be stranded. If a nail run in your tire, the tire plug kit can easily help you to remove the nail, plug the tire. So the tire plug kit comes with your plug tool that the plug actually goes in, comes with a few plugs, which are the things that actually, stop the air from leaking out. Comes with a little device that you use to widen the hole, and it also comes with a little glue that you apply to the plug and then insert the plug in the tire. Next up, we have a wrench. This is an adjustable wrench, and I think it's the smallest size. To be honest, I don't really want to be riding around with a very heavy adjustable wrench, so I carry a light one so that I can keep the weight down. Alright, the other things that I have here are spanners or spanner wrenches, whatever you want to call them. Now I have the 8mm, the 10mm, the 12, and also a 13. I always have those 4 wrenches on me because my bike mainly uses those, and it's best to carry what your bike actually uses. Next up, we have the good old-fashioned electrical tape. Now you can't go wrong carrying electrical tape. Years gone by where electrical tape alone bail me out. You're gonna be on the road, you're not going to have a soldering kit or anything done, so boom, twist the wires and electrical tape it up and you're good. Allen keys, or as we Jamaicans would say, link keys. These are very essential to me because my bike, in order for me to pull off the fairings, I have to use an Allen key. And guys with bigger bikes can actually confess to this because the bigger bikes, they mainly use these, and that's basically it for what I carry in my little toolkit. Moving on, we have the good old ear pump. Now, a few occasions I've had a flat tire, and when I go to a gas station, it's either you have to pay to use the pump or the pump not work. So what I do nowadays is I always ensure that I have a pump on me. Now I have 2 different pumps. I have a hand pump and I have a pump that I can plug into the battery, and 2 tools, the wheel is up. Next up, always ensure that you have extra cash. And no, I'm not talking about dollars. I'm talking about actual cash that people want these days. So have at least an extra $2,000 to $2,500 Jamaican dollars on you. Previously, when I had my old bike, I slammed the pothole going to work, speeding and everything. Slammed the pothole, the rim bent up. From your rim bend, and it's a tubeless, you're going to have a flat tire. If the money was on my card, then dog near mess up, as we say. Always ensure that you have extra cash on you. Another crucial thing to always have is your ID, or at least some form of identification. You never know when you might meet in a difficult situation. Nobody is immune to it. Additionally, with the ID, you can also have a little emergency slip, I call it. Basically, it's a piece of paper or, something that would have emergency contact information like your mother number, or somebody who, if you're meeting a difficulty, somebody can actually call that number and get somebody who can actually come help you or so. Spare key. Now, this might be something that persons overlook, but Actually, it's pretty important. Now, what if you go out and for some reason, God forbid, you lose your key on your bike? It's not one of those bikes that can start without a key, if you know what I'm saying, right? How will you get home? It's always good to have multiple spare keys. You'd have one at home and you have a spare key somewhere on you or on the bike. You know, you find where you want to put it. So in the event that you lose your original key, you'll know where to find your spare key. Sounds good? Alright, don't go anywhere yet, man. The video is not done yet. We're almost done. So take a walk with me. Take a look in the bike. Now, this is a microfiber cloth. Always make sure so you have a piece of cloth on you. You never know when rain is going to shower down and you might need it to wipe off something, the bike or so. Alright, so the final thing, and this may be optional according to the weather, right? This is a rain suit. Now it's very essential for you to carry a rain suit, especially during the rainy season, because as you know, we bikers, we don't have a roof over our head. So for the guys that have to go out during the rain, just ensure that you know you pack your rain suit and prepare for anything. So my rain suit typically consists of my jacket, also my pants, and my shoe protector. So the shoe protector goes over my shoes, it's waterproof, and what I normally do is to put the shoe protector under the pants, so that way water doesn't drain from the pants in the shoe protector. Alright, so that basically sums up the entire video here today. So those are some things that I think a biker should always carry. Now, if you think that I missed something out, go ahead and drop a comment in the comment section. Also, go ahead and tell me which of these you think is most important for you as a biker, or even if you're not a biker as yet, if you're looking to become a biker, tell me which of these would be most important for you, or if it's more than one, tell me. Go ahead, drop your comment and let me know. Once again, guys, thank you so much for watching. You know, don't know me, appreciate the love and everything. Stay tuned for more videos and bless up, you know, respect. Wagwan everybody, voila. Much better. Alright, so today we're going to talk about a few things that bikers should always carry. Take a look in my bag and let's get the video started. There we go.